Now on to our final thing, and this is your dative prepositions. And prepositions, first off, are just words you kind of have to memorize. So as vocabulary words, you have to unfortunately memorize them. But in the case of dative prepositions, similar to our accusative prepositions, which you may remember the durch, für, gegen, ohne, those ones were always followed by the accusative case, and these new dative prepositions are always followed by the dative case. So that means even if the sentence or the element that's coming after this preposition wouldn't normally be dative just based on the construct of the sentence, the preposition makes it dative. And quite a few of these do have more than one meaning, and they're often ones you've seen before. So these are ones where I think I've heard before, but I thought mit means with. Well, it also means by. So I'm going by train. And we're going to look first just at our meaning of these, and then we'll look at how to best memorize them, because there's a nice trick for that. So zuerst aus. Aus means out of. So for example, nimm den Weißwein aus dem Kühlschrank. Take the white wine out of the refrigerator. Und from, der Wein ist aus dem Rheintal. The wine is from the Rhine Valley. Außer, except for. Außer meinem Bruder sind alle hier. Except for my brother, everyone's here. And again, außer triggers the dative, hence meinem Bruder, the dative of my brother. Bei has a couple different meanings. So first off, for or at. So mein Bruder arbeitet bei der Bahn und konnte nicht kommen. My brother works at the train or works for the train and could not come. So this is where, was machst du? Ich arbeite bei der Bank. I work at the bank. It can also mean at or at the home of. So diesmal feiern wir Muttis Geburtstag bei meiner Schwester in Potsdam. So this time we're going to celebrate Mommy's birthday at my sister's in Potsdam. It can also mean near or close to. So Potsdam ist bei Berlin. Potsdam is close to Berlin. Mit can mean with or by. So ich bin mit dem Zug nach Potsdam gekommen. I came to Potsdam with the train or by train. And nach can mean after. Nach dem Geburtstagsessen haben wir einen Spaziergang gemacht. So after the Geburtstagsessen, the birthday meal, we took a walk. Or it can mean to, ich fahre morgen nach Bonn zurück. Tomorrow I drive back to Bonn. Couple more after this. Seit, which can mean since. So ich lebe seit dem letzten Sommer in Bonn. And so this is very common whenever you're talking how long you've been doing something. So ich unterrichte seit mehreren Jahren an der Queen's College. So I've been teaching at Queen's College since quite a few years, or for quite a few years. So for, meine Schwester lebt seit 10 Jahren in Potsdam. My sister has been living in Potsdam for 10 years. Von, again, has a couple of meanings. First off, from. So von meiner Schwester hat Mutti ein schönes Bild bekommen. Mommy got a lovely picture from my sister. Of, eine Freundin von Mutti hat ihr ein goldenes Armband geschickt. So a friend of Mommy's sent her a golden bracelet. Or von can mean about. Mutti hat uns oft von dieser Freundin erzählt. Mommy often told us about this friend. Lastly, zu, which again has 3 different meanings, to, for, or with. So to, wir kommen alle sehr gern zu meiner Schwester. We all really like to go to my sister's. Zu ihrem 50. Geburtstag hat Mutti von uns allen eine Reise nach Hawaii bekommen. For her 50th birthday, Mommy got a trip to Hawaii from all of us. And lastly, with, zu dem leckeren Geburtstagskuchen haben wir Muttis Lieblingstee getrunken. So we drank Mommy's favorite tea with the delicious or tasty birthday cake. Now, as you may have noticed, it's a bit of a long list. So how do you memorize them? Well, the easiest way to do so is if you Again, seems the switching slides thing is always an issue when okay, there we go. Whenever I pause for too long on one slide. But the way we remember these is by singing them. So if you put all of your dative prepositions in order, you can sing them to the tune of the Blue Danube Waltz. So very nice Austrian musical waltz. And Blue Danube Waltz fits perfectly with our dative prepositions.